Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Now in this video we're going to be looking at how to see your recurring transactions on Intuit Quickbooks. Now let's say you've registered, remember you have an account there, and now you want to see those transactions that have been recurring. You want to see them, you want to set something, you want to edit them. Now my account is actually a kind of new one, so I don't actually have much transaction, if any transaction on it. But if you do, this is how you can find out to see your recurring transactions. You click on the three lines at the top left corner to open up this part, and then you see the transactions here. Click on it, and then you can, even from here, you can just click on recurring transactions to open it straight away, or click on transactions to open on this page, and you click on recurring transactions. Then you can see here there are no recurring transactions matching the criteria, so you can choose the criteria for it. Filter by what? Is it by name, by amount? Most is by name, so you put in a name and receive, and then you can try to filter or scheduled, reminder, unscheduled. You can try to filter transaction type, check, credit card check, credit note. All these types are the types you can filter using. So you can also have reminder list if you want, run reports, you want to create new recurring transaction. So you can decide to print the transaction, and let's look at the settings. The number of rows you want, you can decide to choose them, which one you want. It's as simple as that. So like I said, I have no recurring transactions, that is why it's not showing, but if you did, you will see them all here. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.